In the 1930s, the world was introduced to spam, and for something now considered an undesirable, almost joke ingredient, we've all seen Monty Python, it actually has an incredibly storied history, even playing a major part in World War II. See, it was incredibly difficult to get fresh meat to the US soldiers, and with canned goods being the primary way of feeding the troops, spam was a no-brainer. So with a few ingredients, a lot of necessity, and a little bit of ingenuity, we have the dish we're making today. The beloved Hawaiian Masubi. Do yourself a massive favour and make this one. A written version of the recipe will be in the description below, so you have no excuse. Also, most of the people that watch my YouTube videos aren't subscribers, so if you want to see more recipe videos, occasional rants, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button. So we're going to start by washing our sushi rice. You're going to want to wash this once or twice just to get out any extra debris and a little bit of the excess starch. We're then going to drain that, get that into a saucepan, add some water, bring that to a boil, immediately reduce to a low heat, cover, and we're going to let that sit for about 20 minutes. That should be enough time for all the water to be absorbed. Once that is done, we're going to add in about 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Then we are going to fluff it up with a fork and set aside until needed. From there, we're going to add our sugar to a bowl, our oyster sauce and our soy sauce. Get that mixed up nicely until all the granules of sugar are gone, and then we're going to slice our spam. You want nice thick slices here. We're going to get them sliced, get them into our marinade and let sit for a minimum of 4 hours. Now, while that is marinating, let's talk hot sauces. So hot sauces go incredibly well with Musubi, and it is all down to personal preference. But I do like to give a shout out to homegrown Irish companies when possible. Now, there is an amazing Irish company that make their own hot sauces, and I am not sponsored by them by any stretch of the imagination. However, they are the only hot sauces I use. And it so happens that my favourite hot sauce pairs incredibly well with Musubi, and that is Mixed Chili's Desert Island Hot Sauce. If you have not gotten yourself a bottle of this, you are sorely missing out. I got this bottle last week and it is nearly done. I will put it with anything. So, support your local producers, check out Mixed Chili's. Let's get back to this. Now we're going to cut long strips out of our nori. You want them to be cut at a nice length as they are going to wrap around our Masubi. From there we get a hot pan, a little bit of oil, and we're going to get our spam into the pan. Now spam is fully cooked, so all we're looking to do is get a nice colour on both sides. From there we're going to take a wet hand and we're going to form our sushi rice into roughly the same size and shape as our spam. Get your spam on top, lay out your nori sheets, put the spam and the rice in the middle, and then fold your nori sheets over. And there you go, you have a stunning Musubi. Top with your favourite hot sauce and dig in. And don't forget to do your happy dance. Thank you very much for watching, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.